The girl dances happily. Swim. A fish swims in water.
Sing, sing, sing. We sing songs. We love to sing all day long.
Cry. Cry. Laugh. The children laugh loudly. Catch. She catches the ball. Climb. The monkey climbs a tree. Push. Push the box. Pull. Pull the rope. Kick. The boy kicks the ball.